Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care at all.
Okay guys, so what I'm going to go through today is just two trades that I took. One was last week and one was this week. I'm going to run through the reasons why I took the trades and really just to show you how simple trading can be. I feel like there's a lot of indicators, a lot of things out there that people use these days, and for a beginner it can be quite daunting to get into trading. So what I'm going to do is just run through a few simple trades that I took and a few setups and why I took them, just to explain my trading style a little bit better, and just to show you how simple trading can be. So the first one here is the British pound against the Aussie dollar. It's taken on the 60-minute time frame. I do take a lot of my trades on that time frame. It's the time frame I normally trade off of, but I do check the 4-hour, the 30-minute and the day time frames just for confluence. So yeah, as you can see, it's a very easy, very simple setup here. You've got a trend line right here that the hour candle formations reject multiple times off of, and as you can see, the moving averages are also put in place. They also act as resistance for the candles. What I was kind of watching was to see if both would break, so the moving averages would be broken, and the trend line would be broken. As soon as that happened, that would trigger an entry really for me. Well, for other people I'm guessing it would, but what I actually did here was wait until this key level was broken before I did enter the trade. Now for me this was a key level from quite a while back. Multiple support and resistance were tested off it a few months back, I think, so I used that level there just for another confluence to make sure that when it did cross, I knew that this trade was going the correct direction that I wanted it to. So as you can see, I entered straight after it was crossed, and my target was 250 pips. Now it may look like I've left a lot on the table, and I think it was another 100 or 200 odd pips that I left on the table, but for me my trading plan called for 250 pips, and that's what I took. I wasn't sad or disappointed with that at all. I mean, 250 pips at the end of the day is 250 pips. So, and once I did get an entry, it didn't ever look like I was going to get stopped out, and I think I only went 10 pips maybe, if that, into my stop loss, and that was very, very early in the trade. So I was never worried about this one. It's a very simple trade. As you can see, I also pulled up a Fibonacci extension tool just to see a 1.272, just to see where that is for targets also, but it just happened to be right around my target of 250 pips. That wasn't really based on, my target wasn't based on that, it was based on structure, but also on a pip level that I wanted to try and challenge, which, like I say, is 250 pips. So that's the GBP AUD trade. As you can see, fairly simple, nothing really to it apart from waiting for a trend line and moving averages to be broken and then perfecting entry. So very simple trade. As you can see, 250 pips gained, and the risk was 142 pips right below a previous low. So yeah, very simple trade, guys, and just a real example of how simple trading can be. Now the other trade I took was this week, and it's actually still running now. Now this is very, very basic. This is beginner level trading, if anything. As you can see here, key level of support set right around this level at 1.08625. It's had multiple rejections off of that level, as you can see, just in the last few days before, maybe 10 times rejected off there. And I was kind of just watching price action around this point to see what would happen, but in my mind it was always a buy. It was never going to be a sell. As you can see as well, I've put a zone in here before from other rejections and just to back up and confirmations of this area or this zone being an important level. So what I did was I just waited until I saw a confirmation candle, like I say again on the 60-minute time frame. Saw a confirmation candle right here. I actually checked on the 4-hour candle just to make sure it was a strong engulfing candle and a strong bearish candle. So bullish candle. So what I did is I got in an entry, stop loss placed just below previous lows. Very good risk to reward ratio, this one. Risked 40 pips, and my reward is actually 530 pips. I think I'm currently up, let me just check, I'm currently up quite a few pips. I had two trades in this one. I took the first one at 250 pips, and the second one is currently up 341 pips. So I'm 341 pips in profit at the minute. I had a slight pullback yesterday, and I did think about taking profit there, but I really do think that my target will be hit at around 530 pips. Target set at structure. So for me, this is an easy trade to find, an easy trade to identify, an easy trade to execute, really. Like I say, trading can be really simple if you can see these setups. This is basic key level support and resistance trading, waiting for a confirmation candle, and confirmed it on multiple time frames. I did use a Fibonacci retracement tool just to see where a pullback may be, but like I say, it blew straight through that, so that can be deleted, but I just left it on there just to show you why I put it on there. But like I say, the Fibonacci extension was purely just to see where the 61.8 retracement level was, just in case it did pull back and then break through the support. I knew where I could aim for a short-term target, but ever since it broke through that, and it did smash through that, I let it run, and I hit my first target at 250 pips. So yeah, like I say, very simple trading, guys, very easy to identify, very easy to execute. Like I say, this was just a quick video to show you my style of trading and the way I like to trade. And really just, like I say, a video to show you how simple trading can be if you just apply the right knowledge to the charts. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll post a few more videos regarding trading, and I'll also post a few videos, tutorials or help videos for people that may need them. If you could follow my Instagram, it would be much appreciated. That's where I'm most active, and that's where I do post most of my setups, videos, pictures, etc. I also do run a Telegram as well. What I'll do is I'll leave all the links in the description. If you can go ahead and follow them, that'd be brilliant. Or if you just want to keep up to date with my page or my work, then like I say, go and follow them. But for more videos, please do stay posted. If you can subscribe, comment and like, that would be much appreciated, but only if you do feel like you want to see more and you do like the video. I won't want to force a view or anything out of you. So yeah, like I say, guys, this is a very short, very simple video. Any questions or problems, just give me a message down below, or head over to my social media profiles, and I'll be able to help you out further there. Thank you very much.
Cause I have hella feelings for you. I act like I don't fucking care, cause I'm so fucking scared.